Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the Beelinguapp lifetime subscription available on Stack Social. This isn't your typical language app. It's built around audiobooks and parallel reading. Let's dive into what makes it different, what you actually get with the lifetime plan, and whether it's worth the price. So, what is Beelinguapp? It's a mobile app that helps you learn 14 different languages by combining reading and listening at the same time. Here's how it works. You choose a story, anything from fairy tales and news articles to novels and even science papers. The app displays the text in two languages side by side, your native language and your target language. At the same time, you listen to a native speaker audiobook recording. With the app's karaoke-style highlighting, you follow along word by word, training both comprehension and pronunciation naturally. It's available on both Android and iOS, and you'll find languages like Spanish, French, German, Korean, Japanese, Italian, Arabic, Hindi, Russian, Chinese, and more. Now let's talk about the deal. Normally, a subscription would set you back $359.99. But through this Stack Social offer, you can grab a lifetime subscription for just $149.99. And if you use the coupon code BLEARN5, you'll knock off an extra $5. That means no monthly payments, no renewals, just unlimited access forever. Here's what I love about Beelinguapp. You learn languages through real-world content, not boring drills. Perfect for auditory and visual learners. Constantly updated with new stories every week. But there are some drawbacks. The interface isn't the most intuitive, especially for beginners. Some users report occasional bugs and glitches, especially on iOS, so it's not flawless, but for this price, it's a strong value. If you've struggled with traditional language apps and want a more natural, enjoyable way to learn, Beelinguapp is absolutely worth a look. I've dropped the deal link in the description below so you can check it out before it's gone. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning a new language.